Hello, mfethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shapa phethu kunjani Kamara Mingthini Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yeah, baba.
Yebo baba.
On today's episode, we are looking at a weekend wrap up.
Yeah.
Where we talk everything South African football ezenzekile ke weekend.
Yebo baba.
Yeah. Angazi, let's start with the yeah, siqale eqaleni basho njalo. Siqale eqaleni sikhulume nge-Sundowns. We got an 11 goal thriller in that game. Sundowns trying to put pressure even more league, showing ukuthi bayafuna win the league. Yabo? Were you expecting with the Sundowns can pull off such because there were a lot of opportunities ukuthi binga-add ama-goals ayo laphaya, a lot of chances for that man.
Yes, it's funny because I remember when Orlando Pirates was scoring 6-5 and then people said, goals, we don't care about goals, 1 point.
Now it looks like it's going down to the goal.
They say, yo, we don't care, you can score as many goals as you want. They were starting to win 1-0, collecting 3 points, which is fine, it's fair. But I'm just looking at it. Sundown here, feel the pressure, to be honest. Yeah, feel the pressure, and they see with these goals, they need them now, you know. They need them. But see, unfortunately, if you look at that game, it's a pity because it's like they won 3-0 for me. Somebody will say 7, but it's like they won 3-0 because they got 4 goals cancelled. So there was nothing wow about that game.
And the one thing to note about that, because it's important, it still counts. All those goals or 4, they still count as goals considered.
Yes.
So it's +4 on goals considered.
Yes.
It goes a long way because Maunga Cheka right now, I think they are just 1 goal apart.
Yes.
In terms of former goals scored. But the main difference is on goals against, goals about considered. That's the main difference because I think Sundowns has got 18 considered, counting those 4. And also Pirates has got 12. About it makes a lot of difference now. Yeah, so conceding goals, it's not a good thing.
Yeah.
But
so remember the Sundowns, yes, they want to score goals. It's unfortunate what they concede, and at this moment they can only wish and hope who to win you drop points.
Yeah, khona kubukeka sengazuthi indlela yethu iqondile yabo. But ke yazi ngifuna ukuthi sinote something because we once came here and told people ukuthi it's their experience. Biba winning, they got on form at the right time and everything. Kodwa futhi manje bakhilwa yiyo futhi le experience, ama mistakes that they do. Iwona that make it. Yes, they won that game convincingly so, but monga check ama goals amanye abawaconsidile, are questionable nje, to be honest. They are questionable, ama mistakes ongamele abenzeka at the highest level kahle kahle. Kodwa ke we take it as it is.
No, I think even sometimes go too much confident.
Yeah.
Utibona ngathi uyadithemba kakhulu. Ku dangerous because ngifeel ngathi Sundowns iyadithemba fine, the experience ikhona. But I don't think they are used with at this time of the season bagule pressure bakuyona.
Yeah.
So even kubona it's a test ukuthi usually at this time sesowinile siqedile. Manje kuloko and umubuka the only team that is easy for me with Tata League, to be honest, it's Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, it's quite easy.
It's easy for Orlando Pirates.
Even if we score 1 goal the next match,
done.
Another match, 1 goal.
You just don't need to play through. So it's sometimes
you need to win.
Now, it's sometimes good tricky match. It tests the enzima as much as they have experience. But okay, if it's sitting by winning for the past 8 seasons, by winning, did they have this pressure? Manje banayo leyo pressure. That's why you see trying to score 7 goals, but unfortunately Attacker obviously uyakhohlwa ukudefender, make silly mistakes, bayashayeka yabo. So
Yeah.
right now banenkinga.
Yeah.
Athi-ke they tried. We can't
Yeah.
take anything away from that.
Moving on, the following game, obviously, bawukhuluma nge-Sundowns. It just so happens ukuthi uzokhuluma nge-Pirates because
Yeah.
they are the two competing
Yeah.
teams at the top. So let's talk about the Pirates. They later on played that day and then they won by 3 goals to nil, which means that no 3-0 ubala ngapha was cancelled.
Because cancelled. Which means Sundown is back to square one. The same goals the members are have. You still need to score them because Orlando Pirates scored 3.
Yes, yes.
You know, so it's good difficult.
Yeah,
good difficult.
it's quite difficult, honestly.
Yeah.
There are things to note kuleya game. One thing, Pirates was not celebrating. Remember, we talked about the mentality.
Yeah.
Having the right mentality. Bebekora nje bethathe ibhola balibuyisele center because they had that belief ukuthi they should score more goals.
Yes.
Yabo. So they shouldn't waste time and think that they've made it when they still have to do more.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ake ngizwe kuweke bhuti. Yazi yonke into ibukeka ngazuthi obvious.
No, I call
we still
obvious.
have to play.
I call obvious. I remember, okay, before Kulman, you remember what Santana scored 24 goals once with the Nedbank or something.
Yeah.
So you know Sundown is dangerous when it comes to scoring. So what Orlando Pirates did was, remember Sundown is early, and then seeing Sundown score 7 goals. It tells you what these people, they know what's at stake. You know?
Yeah.
So with us, okay, it's fine, we're winning the game. Let's not give them any chance to believe what they can score goals that can cover us. So what we need to do is to score and go back. That's why it's Orlando Pirates not celebrating because by us, we don't want to lose it. Mhlambe last game. Where you find the Sundown, you shy takes Galaxy, understand how you keep going like that. You know? My point about good goals. So Orlando Pirates have that mentality. No, we need to score goals. And we're talking about mentality. We want to say the Orlando Pirates players, the way we badalanga corner at some point, you wouldn't tell what they wanted. But at this moment,
you can tell.
You can tell what these guys
they want key
it.
injuries, or injuries, key positions, but still, you won't see because of the fact that they want what they want.
I can't make any mistake sitting a winner a league. That's what's happening. And the mentality of Pirates at this moment is sharp. And that's why it's easy to go to when we win and Sundowns.
Yeah. Another thing engiyibonayo ewumehluko between Sundowns and Pirates. I know a lot of people believe ukuthi, even now myself, I believe it's with a striker that will score goals because they make a lot of difference in my games. You would count Man City will tell you what Man City only won Champions League because there was Haaland introduced in that team. Because if you remember, back then they used to play without a striker, right? Sibuye ke size kule context yet. Sometimes they invest more on strikers because I think right now they've got 4 proven strikers. Remember, we Leon, Reyners, Shalulile, Motiba, who's that guy? Motiba. All those guys, you can start any. You can just close your eyes and pick any of them, and they will perform on the day.
Yeah.
So, but the Pirates, what we note about them, I will compare them to PSG, not because PSG is the best, but because the PSG, what they managed to do is to have a lot of players, aba korai, like you would count Dembele, you would count who's that guy Due, you will count Kvaratskhelia, you'd count a lot of players. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi banama goals alako 12, 13, all of them they ranging on the same lokunjana. That on its own tells you about ukuthi ayikho leya mentality ukuthi fanele kube khona umuntu oyedwa that will score. Yes. Everyone contributes into the team. Right now we'll talk about Masangai, the dynamism he adds into that team. He actually scored
back to back. I think back to back.
Yes. So it makes a lot of difference to have players like that. Borele, Bo Apolis, you would count Moremi now. Even the strikers, they come there with those 4 5 goals. But it makes a lot of difference, you know.
Yeah.
And Mahopa has made a lot of difference on Genawake in that position.
Yeah.
I love Umbotuma. I know Umbotuma has got strength. Mahopa ngenas, but no Mahopa uba khona kwakhe lapha ya. It adds a lot of value to our play kahle kahle. So izinto ezifana nalezo ziyasiqhuqhuzela and keeps us going while we're trying to fight for this league ngenkani. Moving on ke kodwa. Amakhosi Soweto United. Soweto United.
Sikwenzela umsebenzi. Ubunga boyithi. Siyakwenzela umsebenzi onqomekayo manje uyafine nje.
Soweto United.
Talk to us.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, ikhosi lifikile. Ikhosi lenze lidume ngazo. Oh well, these days. Lenza umsebenzi omkhulu oncomekayo. Winning against isikhukhune 2-0. Leya game leyo uyibone kanjani?
Even though for me it felt like it's a game that was gonna be 0-0 draw type of thing, but maybe I don't know. Here's a complaint on Mfundo Villas, which why he's not given a chance.
Yeah.
So I feel like I was shocked with Sereno starting the game for Mfundo Villas because I was not impressed with Sereno last game. Obviously, he was not trying to give us anything. But I'm gonna want Mfundo Villas change the game. So I mean, that boy can tell with just coach the boy, you know, because uyenzile impact. And I'm sure the coach are born. If my friends isn't born, we just my coach are born.
Yeah, true.
And we're winning a game, a very crucial game where we won and we qualify with the CAF Confederation officially now. Regardless of what happened after these 2 games that are left, but currently points-wise, we are secured. So as well as Africa, you know. Yeah. So I feel like Chiefs is coming alright, but we need a coach.
Yeah. How? I wasn't expecting that. Remember it's secured which was Africa. Showcase you will play with MTN 8.
Yeah.
So you'll get your fair chance now of stopping this monster.
Yeah.
With Orlando Pirates for taking it for the 5th time in a row. That will be a huge, humongous.
Ben Zenze lasingekho bafana bami.
Hayi phela nani ngena bakhona.
Fike izitsha manje. I'm saying it.
Yeah, it looks like you have settled that position.
Yeah.
Right corner. Ungathi kuphi ofisa ukuthi ku-improve next season? I know we're now coach.
Yeah.
But kuphi wena ofisa ku-improve as we conclude manje i-league?
Hey, good trick you Chiefs. Because the first thing you get Chiefs and millions for me, it's military release about that.
Okay.
That's one. So one person, let's buy quality. You will never buy or never or you just want to buy quality, you know. Which means if you look at the ball, time man. The fridge is empty. That's why quality. You know, you have a fridge, you need to show that.
Okay.
It's really a
angifuna ukuthi in fact ungawa name dropper abadlali officer
no.
bathengwe to improve the team.
Officer over 10 from PSL. Yeah, I was not ready for that. But I mean, like, I feel like we do need a Ndlovu or Mtiani, you know.
Ndlovu.
We're calling Arrows.
Oh, okay.
We're calling Arrows or Mtiani from Eastern Bosch. Then from this, we still need a striker. I mean, I feel like we need somebody who can score goals. I'm born on the save corner, but we need somebody. And I don't know, my Chiefs fans have seen. We have a shadow leader that's not being used at Sundowns. He can give us one season. Screwing a PSN. He can give us one season.
Okay.
He can score that guy.
Okay, so by 3, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's PSL. But obviously, there's a scouting team, Kaizer Chiefs. They can still go out.
No. Whether it's your wish right now. So if I get the scouting team, but
Yeah, quickly, players I can think of is those guys, you know. I feel like, yeah. Because I don't think we are that bad. Because it defense, I feel like it's never bad. It's a matter of releasing bad.
Okay. Ibapho ngavisa ba release.
Marco.
Mawungasihlebela.
Marco.
Yeah.
Get.
Okay. Marco kodwa adlali man.
Yeah, get man.
Okay.
Not your off ramp. Or Maurice.
Right, you got the Corella.
But get, not giving us anything.
In fact, bunga kumbala uMorris ubethe ngadlala ngizona. But
Uzombalo.
bunga kumbala.
Uzohloya.
Okay, qhubeka.
I feel like even no Shinga, because we're injured. We haven't seen him.
You can't release a player who's injured.
Ngiyamrate because ugile override bangamdlalisa. Shinga must go. Matlow.
But
George Matlow. George Matlow.
Okay.
And I've always been crying with George Matlow must go.
Okay.
Content creator, I'm cheat. And then
Yazobala.
Serino must go.
Okay.
Serino must go.
Yeah.
Serino must go. It's
Yeah.
game over. I'll release Modi as well.
Okay.
Modi must go. Even Bruce, goalkeeper, can call it the one. I don't know. Some even Solomons, I let go, man.
Okay.
Yeah, but Solomons are behind. Okay, some are on loan, like Omashiane, also.
You can't count those.
Yes. Even if we're being honest, causing Pele, at least loan him or something. Oh no. I feel like, why we never, our Angelo Mont, let him go, Pele, you know?
Analysis yakho again. I want to.
Well, I never
It can't be. Half of the players who counted are not playing.
Okay,
it's not their mistake that they are not playing.
You know why in Babal? It's because the try what's pension. Kono koseng playing. Awangangangeni. Which means wait. Which means occupy space. If we can release these players, and then we try to find players who will play. Like I'm saying, if you release one job, you catch him Tiano, catch him Jove. You are maybe certain good Bazodal.
Okay.
I'm being honest. Okay, back on I never find your fool. Never find. That is why. Which means wait.
I don't agree with you.
Which means that is why it's a better pregnant to say you talking about find. That is why we need a coach. Because clearly it's not my coach.
But
if we must have pension bank account, that's no more. I was trying to
about something. Oh, coach, we Pirates, we Chiefs, bayathengelo abadlali. Hayi ukuthi ibona kukancane uzofica ukuthi ibona abenza or bane say in buying those players. Kukancane.
Okay.
Right.
Maningubambe. Ikanje lento. Remember Kaizer Chiefs beyakudlala iCAF final.
Yeah.
We were coached by Kevin Hunt, right?
Yeah.
And then look what bekadlala ngobani. He couldn't buy players. Ne? My players began to improve for team. Cousin Pilling is one of them. Yeah. Mashian is one of them.
Okay.
Abafana BTTC. But what changed? You go to Abafana, they were promising and good, and then they turn out to abanye baloni, abanye no studying. Is it my coach? So if you have a proper coach that can use these players, then we are good. But clearly we don't have my coaches are rightful about this now.
Yeah, Buffett. Tell us next season, where do you see your team finish a con? For example, the Chiefs taking number 1 spot, Sundowns maybe taking number 16th spot. I'm just making an example, Buffett, just to make it interesting. This is what we need. Yeah, Buffett. See you on another one.